In Noah's Ark, Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam, he talked about how everyone under the four corners of his house would be under the protection of Allah from the calamity ahead. Now, of course, we are from the America Majlis, American delegation, and so this is a very scary thing when we look at the prophecies of the Hazrat Masih Maud for the future of America. So I wanted to ask, under this prophecy of divine protection from Allah towards those who are true and sincere Ahmadi Muslims, do we have this same protection as being...
But you see, it has some preconditions, because don't call yourself Ahmadi by name, but by deed. If you are good, you are following the commandments of Allah Ta'ala, you are following all the injunctions given in the Holy Quran, you are praying all your daily prayers fervently, sincerely, then you will be saved. Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam has said, आग है पर आग से वो सब बचाए जाएंगे जो कि रखते हैं खुदाए ज़ुल अजाइब से प्यार. There is fire, but all will be saved from that fire who are sincere and love Allah Ta'ala. Then you have to judge yourself. Do you have that in-depth love for Allah Ta'ala in your heart?
Jesus, I do.
If you have, then you will be saved. And all those who have, they will be saved. So discharge your duties you owe to Allah Ta'ala, and discharge your duties you owe to your fellow beings.
Inshallah.
ठीक है? Then you will be saved, inshallah. ठीक है?
I request prayers for the youth of America, our khudam and atfal, for their well-being and for their future tarbiyat.
Allah Ta'ala bless you.
Ameen. Jazakallah.
Allah Ta'ala bless your jamaat, bless your khudam, and make them sincere to their faith.
Inshallah.
Make them strong and staunch Ahmadis.
Inshallah.